Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today is 4th September 2020 on Friday. How's the weather outside? Cloudy because the rainy season is going on. Today I am going to teach you shapes. So student, look here. Our first shape is circle. Which shape is this? This is a circle. It has no side and no corners. It has no side and no corners. So this is a circle. Look here. Right here. C I R C L E. Circle. Repeat with me, okay? C I R C L E. Circle. It has no side and no corners. It's like a ball. Look here. What is this? This is a ball. The ball is circle shape. And here I drawn some examples. So look here. What is this? Tell me. Yes, this is a clock. The clock is also in circle shape. Okay, and what is this? Sun. Look here. The sun is also in circle shape. Look here, circle shape. Okay, and what is this? Ball. The ball is also in circle shape. And tomato. The tomato is circle shape. So look here, which shape is this? This is a circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. And our second shape is square. What is this? This is a square. It has four sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it has four corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has four corners. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Look here, four corners. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And four side. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is side and these are corners. Okay, these are side, four sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And these are four corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four corners. Okay, so which shape is this? This is a square. S Q U A R E. Square. Repeat with me again one more time, okay? S Q U A R E. Square. It has four sides and four corners. It's like a box. Look here. This is a color box. The color box is square shape. Okay? This box is square shape. And look here. Here I drawn some examples for square shape. Okay? What is this? This is a chessboard. Do you like chessboard? Yes, this is a chessboard. And what is this? This is a carom board. What is this? This is a carom board. Chessboard, carom board also in square shape. And what is this? Gift box. What is this? Gift box. And what is this? Tell me. Yes, Crackjack biscuit. Crackjack biscuit is also in square shape. Okay. So this is a square shape. And our third shape is triangle. Which shape is this? This is a triangle. It has three sides. 1, 2 and 3. 3. It has 3 sides. Okay. 1, 2 and 3. And it has 3 corners. 1, 2 and 3. It has 3 sides, 1, 2 and 3, and it has 3 corners, 1, 2 and 3. These are corners, 1, 2 and 3, and sides 1, 2 and 3. Which shape is this? This is a triangle. It has 3 sides and 3 corners. Okay. T R I A N G L E. Triangle. Repeat with me again one more time. Okay. T R I A N G L E. Triangle. Which shape is this? This is a triangle. It's like a mountain. Okay. And here I drawn some examples. Okay. What is this? This is the samosa. What is this? The samosa is also in triangle shape. And mountain. The mountain is also in triangle shape. And what is this? Hanger. This hanger is also in triangle shape. Okay. So which shape is this? This is a triangle. And our last shape is, tell me which shape is this? This is a rectangle. Which shape is this? This is a rectangle. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. It has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides. So look here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. It has 4 sides and it has 4 corners. 1 corners. Okay. 1, 2, 3 and 4. It has 4 corners. It has 4 sides and 4 corners. So write here R E C T A N G L E. Rectangle. Which shape is this? This is a rectangle. Repeat with me again one more time. R E C T A N G L E. Rectangle. So student, tell me which shape is this? This is a rectangle. The rectangle is, tell me, the board shape. Okay. The rectangle is also in, our board is rectangle shape. Okay. And look here. Here I drawn some examples. So what is this? Tell me. Yes, this is a cupboard. The cupboard is also in rectangle shape. And what is this? This is a duster. Look here. What is this? This is a duster. It has 2 sides long and 2 sides short. 2 sides long and 2 sides short. What is this? This is a duster. And duster is rectangle shape. Okay. And look here. What is this? This is a book. The book is also in rectangle shape. And look here. What is this? This is a eraser. Eraser is also in rectangle shape. And this is a brick. Brick is also in rectangle shape. Okay. Look here. Repeat again one more time. Which shape is this? This is a circle. Circle has no side and no corners. And which shape is this? This is a square. It has 4 sides, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And it has 4 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4. And our third shape is, tell me which shape is this? Yes, this is a triangle. It has 3 sides, 1, 2 and 3. And it has 3 corners, 1, 2 and 3. And our last shape is, which shape is this? Tell me. Yes, this is a rectangle. It has 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it has 4 corners, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 2 sides long and 2 sides short. So this is a rectangle. So students, now I teach you exercise for the shape. Okay. Our first exercise is color the triangles. Color the triangles blue. Color the triangles blue. So here, where is triangle? This? No. Which shape is this? This is square. And which shape is this? This is a circle. So where is triangle? Tell me. Yes, this is a triangle. So color the triangles blue. Okay. Don't go for out of line. And which color is this? This is a blue color. Which color is this? This is a blue color. So find the triangle shape. Where is triangle shape? This? No. This? Yes, this is a triangle shape. So color the triangle shape blue. Okay. And again, where is the triangle shape? Find. Yes. This? No. This? Yes. This is a triangle shape. So color the triangle shape blue. Okay. And look here. Where is the triangle shape? This? No, this is a square shape. This? No, this is a circle shape. So where is the triangle shape? This? No. This? No, this is a rectangle shape. So here, what is this? This is a triangle shape. Okay. So here color the blue. Don't go for out of line. And tell me, where is the triangle shape? This? No. This? No. This? No. This is a circle shape. So where is triangle shape? This. Yes, this is a triangle shape. And next, our second exercise is match the shapes to the correct pictures. Okay, match to the shapes to the correct picture. So student, tell me which shape is this? This is a circle. Which shape is this? This is a circle. So which shape is similar this circle? Tell me. Which picture? This? No. This? No. This? Yes. What is this? This is a smiley. So smiley is circle shape. So match the smiley. Okay. And look here. Which shape is this? This is a rectangle. So which picture is similar this shape? Tell me. This is a rectangle. So this is a rectangle? No, this is a box, and box is square shape. This box is square shape, and this is a triangle shape. So where is the rectangle shape? Yes, this is a board. The board is rectangle shape. So match the board. Okay, and look here, which shape is this? Tell me. Yes, this is a square shape. Which shape is this? This is a square shape. So where is square shape? This? No. This? No. This is a circle. So where is the square shape? Yes, this box is square shape. So match the box. This. Okay. The square is, and the box is square shape. And what is this? Triangle. Which shape is this? This is a triangle. So where is the triangle shape here? This? No. This? Yes. This is a sandwich. Okay. The sandwich is triangle shape. So student, write in your book number 2 and page number 48, 49 and 50. Okay. Write in your notebook. This exercise is write in your notebook. So student, sing with me shape song. Okay. Look here. Which shape is this? This is a circle. Circle shape. Circle shape. Where are you? Here I am. Here I am. How do you do? And which shape is this? This is a triangle. Triangle shape. Triangle shape. Where are you? Here I am. Here I am. How do you do? This is a square. Square shape. Square shape. Where are you? Here I am. Here I am. How do you do? So, and which shape is this? This is a rectangle shape. Rectangle shape. Rectangle shape. Where are you? Here I am. Here I am. How do you do? So student, I hope you understand this all shape. Okay. Bye.